If your Snapchat is not showing chats, it could be due to a variety of issues such as app glitches, internet connection problems, or issues with your account settings. So here are some effective fixes you can try. So let's get started. Firstly, check Snapchat server status. Sometimes Snapchat servers may be down, affecting chat's functionality. If the servers are down, you will have to wait until they are fixed. Then go to the Snapchat. Inside Snapchat, tap on your profile icon available in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings. Now scroll down and look for the clear data option available there and tap on it. Now all you have to do is look for the clear cache and tap on it and confirm by tapping clear, and restart the app and check if the chats are visible. If not, go to the App Store and search for Snapchat in the search address bar and see if there is an update available. An outdated Snapchat app may cause issues with displaying chats, so make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.